Hi, my name is Megan White and I'm Shore River's Community Engagement Coordinator. As we approach the end of 2024, I want to take some time to talk to you about Shore River's vision for the future and how we are working to make that a reality. At Shore Rivers, we envision communities that are climate resilient. It takes hard work and hope to affect change in the face of something this daunting. We believe it's important to foster meaningful relationships with the community, including faith-based organizations, schools, neighborhoods, and communities most impacted by the climate crisis. By working with these organizations, we are able to create restoration projects that are targeted to address the issues that they are facing, improve water quality, and provide a benefit for the community. Some examples of these projects at Shore Rivers include our Tree the Shore program and our River Friendly Yard programs. For these programs, we work closely with community members to plant trees and native plants that benefit both the land and the water. Please consider supporting this important work by making a year-end donation to Shore Rivers. Thank you so much and happy holidays.